Hello, and welcome to English Easily Speak.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
On this channel, we help you learn real English for everyday life.
Yes, you will practice speaking, listening, and useful vocabulary.
Today's topic is talking about family in English.
You will learn how to describe your family, how to talk about relationships, real, natural conversation.
So stay with us until the end and practice with us. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have a small family. I have one brother and my parents.
Nice. That's clear and easy. You can also say, I come from a small family.
Yes, that sounds natural too. I come from a small family. I have one brother.
Great. Both are correct and useful. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and my brother.
That's nice. I don't live with my family. I live alone.
Oh, really? Do you visit your family often?
Yes, I visit my family every weekend.
That's great. Family time is important.
Let's learn something important. I have, use for family members. I come from, use for background.
Example, I have two sisters. I come from a big family.
Repeat after me. I have a big family. I have a small family.
I have one brother. I have two sisters.
I live with my family. I live alone.
I visit my family. I love my family.
Good job. Keep going. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How many people are in your family?
Good question. There are 5 people in my family. My parents, 2 sisters, and me.
Nice. There are 3 people in my family, my parents and me.
That's a small and happy family.
Repeat. There are 3 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family.
My family is small. My family is big.
Listen and repeat. I have a small family. I come from a small family.
I have a big family. I come from a big family.
I live with my parents. I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters. I love my family.
Answer these questions. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
How many people are in your family?
There are blank people in my family.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Repeat after me slowly. I have a small family. I have one brother. I live with my parents.
I have a big family. I have 2 sisters. I visit my family.
Today you learned I have a family. I come from a family. There are blank people.
And also, I live with my family. I visit my family.
Listen, I have a small family. There are 3 people. I live with my parents. Now your turn. Speak.
Let me ask you something. What is your family like?
Good question. My family is friendly. They are very supportive. We spend time together.
That sounds really nice. Supportive means they help you and care about you. What do you usually do together?
We eat dinner together. We watch movies. We talk about our day.
That's great. Spending time together is very important. Repeat after me. My family is friendly. My family is supportive.
We spend time together. We talk every day.
We eat together. We watch movies.
Now tell me about your family.
Okay. My family is small but very close. We talk every day. We enjoy spending time together.
Nice. Close means you have a strong relationship. Let's learn some useful words. Friendly means kind and nice. Supportive means helps you. Close means strong relationship.
These words are very useful for daily English. Repeat. My family is close. My family is kind.
My family is supportive. My family is friendly.
Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, I do. I talk to my family every day.
That's great. I also talk to my family every day.
Communication is very important in a family.
Repeat. I talk to my family every day.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
My family helps me.
My family makes me happy.
Listen and repeat. My family is very friendly. They are very kind.
My family is close. We talk every day.
We spend time together. We help each other. Answer these questions. What is your family like?
My family is friendly. My family is small.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Here is an example. My family is small. We are very close. We talk every day. I love my family.
Another example, my family is big. They are very friendly. We spend time together. We help each other.
Repeat slowly. My family is friendly. My family is close. We talk every day.
We spend time together. We help each other. I love my family.
Today you learned how to describe your family, useful words like friendly, close, supportive.
And also, how to talk about daily family life.
Great job! You are improving your English step by step.
Let me ask you something. Do you get along with your family?
Yes, I do. I get along well with my parents. I also get along with my brother.
That's great. Get along well means you have a good relationship.
What about you? Do you get along with your siblings?
Yes, but sometimes we argue. My sister is very kind. My brother is funny.
That's normal. Every family has small problems sometimes.
Let's learn some useful phrases. Get along means have a relationship. Get along well means good relationship. Argue means disagree or fight.
These are very common in daily English.
Repeat after me. I get along with my family. I get along well with my parents.
I get along with my brother. I get along well with my sister.
Do you argue with your family often?
Not often. Sometimes we argue, but we solve the problem.
That's good. Talking helps solve problems. Repeat. Sometimes we argue.
We solve the problem.
We talk and understand.
We respect each other.
Who are you closest to in your family?
I am closest to my mother. She is very kind and caring.
Nice. I am closest to my brother. He understands me. Repeat. I am close to my family.
I am close to my parents.
I am close to my brother.
I am close to my sister.
Listen and repeat. I get along well with my family. We respect each other.
Sometimes we argue, but we solve problems. My family supports me.
My family understands me.
Answer these questions. Do you get along with your family?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you argue with your family?
Sometimes. Not often.
Who are you closest to?
I am closest to my mother, father.
Example. I get along well with my parents. We talk every day. We understand each other.
Another example. I get along with my brother. Sometimes we argue, but we are close. Repeat slowly. I get along with my family.
I get along with my parents.
Sometimes we argue.
We solve problems.
We respect each other. Today you learned get along, argue, close relationship.
Let me ask you something. What do you usually do with your family?
Good question. We eat dinner together, we watch movies, we celebrate holidays.
Nice. That sounds fun. Continue conversation. In my family, we visit relatives, cook together, talk a lot.
That's great. Every family is different. Mini learning. Let's learn some useful ideas. Eat together. Share meals. Spend time together. Be with family. Celebrate. Enjoy special days.
Family activities are important for relationships. Repeat round 1. Repeat after me. We eat together. We celebrate together.
We visit family. We spend time together.
More natural conversation.
When do you usually spend time with your family?
On weekends. In the evening.
Same here. We spend time together on weekends. Repeat round 2. Repeat. On weekends.
In the evening.
We spend time together.
We enjoy family time. Deeper conversation. Do you celebrate holidays with your family?
Yes, I do. We celebrate holidays together. We eat special food.
Nice. We also celebrate together. We visit relatives.
Repeat round 3. Repeat. We celebrate holidays.
We eat special food.
We visit relatives.
We enjoy together.
Listening and speaking practice. Listen and repeat. We eat dinner together. We watch movies together.
We cook together. We talk a lot.
We celebrate holidays.
We visit family.
Question practice. Answer these questions. What do you do with your family?
I eat with my family. I watch movies. When do you spend time with your family?
On weekends. Every day.
Do you celebrate holidays?
Yes, I do. No, I don't. Real examples. Example. We eat dinner together. We watch movies. We talk every day.
Another example. We visit relatives. We cook together. We celebrate holidays.
Let's give a simple example. Listen carefully. I have a small family. My family is friendly. We eat together every day. I love my family.
Very nice and simple. Now let me give another example. I have a big family. We are very close. We talk every day. We help each other.
Great. These are very good sentences for beginners. Step-by-step practice. Now, let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. I have a small family.
My family is friendly.
We eat together.
I love my family.
Good job. Now, second example. Repeat. I have a big family.
We are very close.
We talk every day.
We help each other.
Speaking practice more natural. Now, let's make it more natural. Listen and repeat. I have a small but happy family.
My family is very kind.
We spend time together.
I really love my family.
Chat Mini. Now let's try a short conversation. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
What is your family like?
My family is friendly and close.
What do you do together?
We eat together and talk every day.
Your turn. Now it's your turn. Make your own simple story. Use these ideas. I have a family. My family is. We together. I love my.
Take your time. Speak slowly and clearly.
Insight extra tips. Remember, use simple sentences. Speak slowly. Practice every day. Yes, the more you practice, the better you speak. Checklist. Final practice. Let's repeat one last time. I have a small family. My family is friendly. My family is friendly. We eat together. I love my family. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step.
Now it's your turn. Let's test your English today. Challenge time.
Your challenge is very simple. Step 1, write 3 sentences about your family. Step 2, read them out loud. Step 3, practice every day.
Example. Here is an example. I have a small family. My family is kind. We spend time together.
Another example. I come from a big family. My family is very friendly. We talk every day.
Repeat with us. Repeat after me. I have a small family. I have a big family.
My family is kind. My family is friendly.
We spend time together. We talk every day.
Important message. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak, just practice, just repeat.
If you practice every day, your English will improve. Your speaking will become faster. Your confidence will grow.
Motivation boost. Remember, small practice every day equals big improvement.
Even 5 minutes a day can change your English.
Final practice. Say it one more time. I have a family. My family is supportive. I love my family.
Great job. Now speak your own sentences.
Closing. Thank you for learning with English Easily Speak. We are happy to learn with you today.
Don't forget.
Practice every day. Speak out loud. Stay consistent. And if you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep improving your English. Bye.